What you doing up so late, baby? You're awake tonight all night, aren't you? Huh? You resting in there? Let me talk to you a minute. I can't sleep either. Me and you both can't sleep tonight. It's about going on 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning, ain't it, honey? Yeah. How you doing, huh? Put your new diaper in there. It's to make for your mattress pad, and you've been chewing on it, ain't you, honey? Yeah, you're my girl. I miss ya. Yeah, I love you. Got your teddy bear in there with you? Yeah, he's got his teddy bear and you're sleeping with it, don't you? Here's your teddy bear. Yeah, how you doing, huh? Isn't that pretty tail? That's my sleeping box. Got your teddy bear in there with you. You've been chewing on that diaper thing, that new little diaper put in there for your mattress pad cup. That thing to make it soft, didn't I? And you got it on your bear. You've been chewing on it. Okay, look at that. You've been chewing on that today, huh? What are you doing, huh? You having a hard time sleeping tonight, too. You didn't last night, did you? I'm trying to go to sleep, too. It'll be time the rest of the world will be waking up, and we won't even be asleep yet, will we? Let's see. You want a carrot? You want a carrot? You hungry? You want to see who I am first? I want to see you, Mommy. So you want to be a Bugs Bunny rabbit and eat a carrot? You do, don't you? Yeah. Got you some celery down here too, see? More celery? Want some of that? Somebody put it in there with you? Share it with your bear? Let's see what else I put down here for you. Oh, here you go. Okay, we got your toys. Here's your fishy. Want your fishy in the bed with you to sleep with, huh? Yeah. It's Mommy. You really skinned your nose up chewing on this wood on your bed. Look at that. You chewed all that. I could hear your little teeth gnawing, couldn't I? You skinned your nose doing it. Oh, look at that. I love it when you do that. That is so sweet. You want me to hold you, don't you? Yeah. Yeah, her my girl. Yeah. Yeah, she's my baby. She's my girl. I feel, there's your water. I fill it back up. It's on. You drank that whole bottle already this week, hadn't you? Yeah. You want to chew some more? Yeah. Can't stand up for a second. I can't stand up long at all. It drives me crazy because I can't stand up. There you are. You're gonna get comfortable on my hand. So you want my hand to sleep with you, don't you? Oh, look at that baby. You're precious. Yeah. Got my angel, huh? Yeah. Let me see something. Look how fat you are. See, it's all healthy. She's all healthy and fat, ain't she? Yes, she is. Yeah, she wants to play. You want to play at 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning, huh? You're a little night owl tonight, aren't you? Yeah. Yeah. She's just nibbling and licking my hand up there. Yeah. She misses me, don't she? You can see the feet where they climb and hold on. The little things on the bottom of their feet. They're little pad things. Well, you're going to curl up there, aren't you? There. Oh, no. I wish you could sleep beside me. I need a little baby bed for a squirrel. Don't I? Yeah. So she can't get hurt and run around, but she'd be by me, wouldn't you? Hmm? Yeah, look at you. She's content now, aren't you? Look at that. Oh, yeah, I miss you too. Yes, I do. Yeah. See, we're just right across from each other. We can see each other, can't we, honey? Hmm? Yep. Let me see them. I don't know why them teeth look yellow like that. I don't know if it's... Check into that. They look orange or something. Let me see. It's got me worried. I gotta make sure they're supposed to be that color. Wait a minute. Yeah. I gotta check in on that, see if that's normal or not normal. Just see. I don't know if it's where you've been chewing on stuff. See. Hey, look there. See, look, I can bite hard too. I want to, can I? Hmm? What? Let me see your teethers again. Do you see your little fat belly? Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, my little girl. Yeah. And I get depressed and nervous. I mean, you have to visit, don't we? So it helps me. It's therapy, ain't it? Mm-hmm. Look at that. Yeah. Say, there's my little Easter bunny, aren't you? She's carrots too. Hmm. You sleepy now? You're content that I come over here with you, ain't you? Hmm. Yeah. Love you. You say your prayers, huh? Did you say your bedtime prayers? I say mine day and night, all through the day and night too. Okay, night, night, honey. Let you rest, okay? Yeah. Precious, just precious. See, she likes to put her tail. You like to put your tail on top of you when you sleep. Sometimes, don't you? Like that. I'll see your little tail hanging out, and I know you're all curled up to sleep. Let's see. You can see your feet. And oh, precious. Now there's your little seal. Fish, whatever you want to call it. Well, I'm going to take that celery out of there. So I guess you get down if you want it and get it, can't you? There's your teddy bear with you. Night, honey. I love you. I'll show you. Here's all the places you've been gnawing on your bedroom house. Have to get a bigger one built soon. You're growing. Not all that, didn't you? And see, it even closes. Looky. See, it's even got a last. Oh, wait a minute. But Mommy don't close it so I can see you. Well, that needs tightened up now, don't it? It's getting loose a little bit. But that's, see? It's her paw. It's her sleeping quarters, ain't it? You like your door up or down? You like it? Oh, Mommy, you've been sitting with it down, ain't you? Mommy, put it down. That way we can see each other better, okay? Alrighty, night, night. There's my mom back there. There's my mommy, my mom, Kathleen Thompson, beautiful Kathleen Thompson. So she's watching after you too. She'd love you, 'cause she would. Night, honey. Night, night. You saying your prayers now, huh? I'll turn around. Oh, that is cute. Wait a minute, I'll get you there. Let's see if I can come over here. You gonna sleep on your back now? Oh, that is precious. Here, see, I gotta take this for Gail, because, say, if anything ever happened to me, I want her to take you and take excellent care of you. And I know she would. I don't know anybody else that'd be as good to you like her and me. You washing yourself, huh? Cute and cuddly. So, Mommy, get that light out of my eyes so I can go to sleep. Look at that. Isn't that precious? Okay, you're sleeping now. We'll turn the light out of your eyes. Love you.